back, folks, with another Subaru Outback. This is a premium 2.5i. This is a one-owner unit, folks. All documented services on the free Carfax at dascleveland.com. Heated seats, tinted windows, auxiliary line in, USB, satellite radio. She's a nice one, folks. Power driver's seat, and she's clean. Like brand new inside and out. Salesman's driven this vehicle almost 3 days in a row now. Says it fantastic in all weather climates. Drives perfect. Does everything it should. Service contracts are included. Service history is all available. And we're going to offer at $995 starting down payment through our guaranteed credit approval program. Come on down, dascleveland.com, and get you some.